In this video, I'll show you how to see who's subscribed to your YouTube channel. Some of you might not have this option available, and I'll explain why shortly. To check who's subscribed to your YouTube channel, make sure you're logged into your YouTube channel. Then click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner. Next, select YouTube Studio from the drop down menu. Once you're in YouTube Studio, scroll down and you should see a section that displays your subscribers. By clicking on See All, you can view a list of those who are subscribed to your YouTube channel. If you're not able to see this option, there are a couple of reasons why this might be happening. One possibility is that you don't have enough subscribers yet. Another reason could be that some of your subscribers set their subscription to private, which means that they won't appear in your subscriber list. As your channel grows and gains more subscribers, this section should eventually appear. Thanks for watching, and here's another video YouTube thinks that you might like, and I'll see you there. Goodbye.